To fully enjoy the gaming experience on your Xbox Series X console, it's important to have a high-quality headset that can deliver crystal clear audio and comfortable fit for extended gaming sessions. So if you are a proud owner of this console, then you might want to check out our top 5 best headset recommendations for Xbox Series X.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting off, we have the Turtle Beach Recon 70, a gaming headset designed to be used on various platforms, especially consoles like the Xbox Series X. It features a lightweight and comfortable design with a padded headband and ear cushions for extended gaming sessions. On top of that, the headset has 40mm speakers that deliver high-quality audio with crisp highs and deep bass. It also has a flip-up mic that can be muted when not in use, as well as volume controls located on the ear cup for easy access. Besides that, it has a standard 3.5mm audio jack, which allows it to be used with a variety of devices other than consoles, such as smartphones and tablets. It is available in several different color options, including black, white, red, and blue. Overall, the Turtle Beach Recon 70 is an affordable and reliable gaming headset that offers great value for its price. Moving on, we have this impressive exclusive wireless headset designed by Microsoft. It offers great audio quality thanks to its 40mm audio driver with a 20Hz speaker response on both sides. The sound is clear and detailed, which enhances the gaming experience. One of the standout features of this headset is the adjustable mic, which can be easily moved up or down to suit your preferences. The voice isolation feature helps to eliminate background noise, ensuring clear communication during gameplay. The auto mute feature is also a useful addition, automatically muting your microphone when it's not in use to avoid any unwanted noise. On top of that, the headset has a lightweight design, weighing in at just 312 grams, which makes it comfortable to wear for extended gaming sessions. The Bluetooth 4.2 connection ensures a stable and reliable wireless connection, and with up to 15 hours of total backup, you won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-game. Those who are looking for a headset that perfectly blends in with their Xbox aesthetic should definitely check it out. In case you're looking for a headset that delivers exceptional audio quality for both gaming and music, consider checking out the Corsair HS65. This headset boasts high-quality materials, such as lightweight aluminum construction, that ensure durability and a modern design. Also, the 50mm neodymium drivers offer an impressive frequency range of up to 40,000 Hz, delivering crystal clear audio. It also features 7.1 surround sound, providing an immersive audio experience that is admirable. The plush memory foam ear pads and headband guarantee maximum comfort even during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the headset is compatible with various gaming platforms, making it versatile. The Virtuoso RGB wireless also provides up to 20 hours of battery life, which is sufficient for an entire day of gaming. Besides, it includes a detachable mic that ensures superb vocal clarity, enabling clear voice communication during multiplayer games. Its sleek and premium design makes it one of the best gaming headsets for both gaming and entertainment. Next, we got the Razer Barracuda Pro, with an outstanding noise cancellation feature, making it excellent to use for your Xbox console. Its hybrid active noise canceling microphone guarantees crystal clear communication, free from any distracting background noise. The headset also features a sleek gaming aesthetic and built-in Smart Switch dual wireless mode, allowing users to seamlessly switch between a 2.4 GHz wireless connection and another Bluetooth device with the press of a button. This feature makes it an ideal choice for gamers who need to switch between devices or use their headset for both work and play. Additionally, the achromatic audio amplifier technology and 50mm audio drivers deliver stunning sound quality that fully immerses gamers in the world of gaming. The Razer Barracuda Pro is a must-see option for its noise-canceling feature and versatile connectivity options. And finally, if you are looking for the best wireless headset for Xbox Series X, then you must check out the Arctis Nova Pro by SteelSeries. It is a high-end gaming headset that packs a punch with its competitive gaming potential. This headset boasts a sturdy and stylish build, along with 360-degree spatial sound and high-fidelity audio technology, which allows you to hear small details such as footsteps and other sounds with precision. The AI-powered noise-canceling microphone is a standout feature, capable of delivering crystal-clear voices even in noisy environments. Additionally, the microphone is fully retractable, allowing gamers to use it when necessary and out of the way when not in use. With the Gen 2 Game DAC, gamers can customize audio settings extensively. In short, the Arctis Nova Pro is a top-of-the-line gaming headset that delivers amazing audio quality and performance, which makes it a perfect choice for console owners who demand the best. So that was all about today's video about the 5 best headsets for Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.